Hey guys, happy Monday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and I have a very serious question for you. And the question is, who would like to have a Poppin private label product? Poppin, right? So if you'll just write in the chat box, let me know if you would love to have a Poppin private label product selling on Amazon or anywhere for that matter. It doesn't have to be Amazon. It could be eBay or anything else. So let me ask. Back in, I think it was 2016, I was privileged to go and to see GoPro in Las Vegas, and it's Eric Warray's event, and it was amazing. So Val, I see you're on here. You live in Vegas, so when Eric Warray has his event, it's called GoPro. I highly recommend that you attend, and they also have one that's just for women. I haven't been to that one, although I want to attend that one. But there was a guy there. His name was Brian Carruthers or Carruthers. I'm not sure how to say his name, but he did a experiment, and in that experiment it made me, I remembered it, and so I wanted to share that with you today. So let me ask a question. How many of you in your business right now, it's Q3, quarter three, how many of you in your business right now are where you wanted to be by quarter three of 2018? So if where are you right now? Are you where you wanted to be, like how many products you have listed on Amazon, how much profit that you made, what your margins are? Let me know if that's, if you are where you plan to be. Val says no. Okay, so here's the thing, and I want you to think back from starting today, and you look back past the past 6 months. You started today, look back past the 6 months. How consistent have you been in your business? How consistent have you been in building your e-commerce business? So starting today for the past 6 months. Kendall, yes, I am better than my goal projected. Val says I'm breaking up. Uh-oh, I hope I'm not breaking up. I'm actually still at work. I'm standing in my work break room before I go out to my car, and I wanted to show you guys this. So how consistent have you been in building your business? And when I say consistent, I mean doing IPA or income producing activity. So are you doing the research? Is your car a mobile library? Are you listening to podcasts or YouTube videos or trainings that you purchased? Are you shopping if you're doing retail arbitrage? What are you doing for your e-commerce business? Okay, I got another question for you. How many of you like popcorn? Let me know. Let me know. Do you like popcorn? This is Act 2. This is actually really good because it's like action. You need to take action if you want to do well. I was looking at this popcorn. This is really bad, guys. I pulled this out of my drawer, and it's best by July of 2014. So I have not eaten any popcorn. This was like the year I started selling on Amazon, right? January 2014. I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it. Kendall says she loves popcorn, but I'm going to use this popcorn action, Act 2, because this is what a lot of you are doing. You love popcorn, you love eating it, but this is what you're doing. You're putting the popcorn in the microwave. See it right there in the microwave. You're shutting the door, pressing the button, and you're like, is popcorn ready? Nope, no popcorn. God, when is this popcorn gonna be ready? No popcorn. And you keep doing this over and over and over. You start and you stop and you start and you stop. And then you get distracted by retail arbitrage and online arbitrage and merch by Amazon. And you just go off into doing all of these other things, and you're not being consistent in your business. Now, for those of you that have been following me since 2014, you knew from the very beginning that I was doing private label. I've stayed with private label every day. And almost for 2 years now, I've been coming on here every day. And yeah, Kendall says, oh my God, that's me with my Amazon inventory. And when Brian did this same exact experiment at the GoPro event in Vegas. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so me. But it's not just with e-commerce, guys. This could be with anything. Maybe you're doing weight loss. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose 10 pounds. I'm going to the gym. I'm eating right. I'm low carb and blah, blah, blah. You lose 5 pounds and then you're, out eating at the buffet. Or maybe you're in network marketing and today you're talking to 10 people and tomorrow you're talking to 5 and next week you're not talking to any. It's the same thing because you're, oh, no popcorn. When's the popcorn coming? I'm going to sit here. I'm going to sit here. Popcorn doesn't work. No popcorn. And guess what, guys? You're not going to get any popcorn because popcorn takes at least 2 minutes of consistent heat. That means consistent. Like nothing strays you. Nothing, right? You have to have that momentum in your business. So I have a lot of people that are following me. They're like, oh, Becky, I want to do private label. I want to do private label. I'm going to get that training when I do X, when I do Y, when I do Z. They're not going to be serious. They're not serious. They're not consistent. And that's why I don't waste my time because my time is valuable, right? And I think about all these other trainers out there and yeah, they probably just want your money, but do they care about you getting your results? Because I do. I really want to see you have amazing e-commerce results. Just yesterday I posted about Amy. Amy was able to buy many square foot homes. Actually, she bought 4. She's going to be in Houston this weekend with me. She's going to be my roommate, actually. So I'm so excited to see her. And I actually met her at the GoPro event 2 years ago at the Eric Warray GoPro event. So guys, be consistent in your business. Have that. It's going to take longer than 2 minutes. You're not going to get it overnight. I was talking with a new person today and she's like, I wanted that private label like yesterday. Guys, it's not going to happen that way. I don't mean to like bust your bubble, but it's not. You have to be consistent. You have to put in the work. You have to quit hopping around from retail arbitrage to online arbitrage to merch by Amazon to wholesale to private label. You have to pick one thing, be consistent, have the patience, have the determination, have the burning desire that you're going to do this no matter what, and be passionate about it. And Brian also said, if you're willing to put in the effort, the reward will be worth it. So I hope you all have an amazing Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow on The Drive at 5. Bye. Oh, if you like this video, share it. I'm sure it'll help someone else find a popping private label product. Bye.